having an easy 3D printer has definitely transformed the way I design. So one huge mistake that I've made with 3D printing and prototyping is that I wait too long. I just don't like the waste. I think that's a huge miss. I used to think the goal with the first draft was to get it perfect. Perfect dimensions, a perfect timeline, a perfect CAD model, and a perfect design that works beautifully right out of the gate. But I think that's the wrong way to go about it. So how many times has a perfect concept for you in CAD or in your head come out and it really just kind of sucked? It wasn't great, didn't fit, it didn't actually solve the problem that you wanted. So my challenge for you is don't wait. Set a 30-minute timer and see what you can design right now and then hit print. It's okay to just do certain parts of the design, whether it's like the exterior feel, how it's going to fit, or specific difficulties between like snap fits and closures. You can do just those parts in the design and get feedback right now from your 3D print. So one big improvement for me this year that made design and fusion more enjoyable and more productive was using a 3D printer that just had less fuss, less friction, and even prints a little bit faster. I've been using a Bamboo P1S and I do have an A1 Mini as well, and I've loved using this printer. So Autodesk reached out and they said they were willing to send a free Bamboo P1S to this YouTube community. All you have to do is sign up. It's free to enter. Well, I'll be running it this week, and on the 19th, I'll announce a winner. So I'm putting the link down in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.